In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email automation in ConvertKit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional email sequence ready to engage with your audience effectively. Let's get started. First things first, launch your browser and navigate to the official ConvertKit website at convertkit.com. Once you arrive, go ahead and sign in using your existing account credentials. If you're new to ConvertKit, you'll need to register, but assuming you've been here before, simply enter your login details and hit that sign in button to access your dashboard. Once inside ConvertKit, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Look for the Automations tab, as that's where the magic of email automation happens. Give it a click and you'll be transported to a section that displays any existing automations you may have already set up. To create a new one, locate and click on the plus new automation button. This action sets you on the path to crafting a new and custom automation tailored just for you. Moving forward, it's time to select a starting point for your automation. This involves picking a trigger, an action that will kick off your automation. A trigger could be when someone joins a form or maybe joins a tag. These triggers set into motion your email sequence by identifying when a subscriber enters your workflow. Once you choose your trigger, you'll need to pinpoint exactly which form or tag you're referencing. This step is vital as it tells ConvertKit which subscribers need to be targeted to initiate the automation. With your trigger all set, the next phase is to enrich the journey with an email sequence. Right after establishing your trigger point, click on the plus button and opt for email sequence. Here you'll have the opportunity to create a new sequence. A good starting idea could be a welcome series, particularly if you're introducing new subscribers to your content. This is where you'll build the substance of what your audience will experience. You have the freedom to construct as many emails within the sequence as you deem necessary. Your first email could be a warm welcome, setting the tone for your new subscribers. The second email might share valuable insights or tips, offering real value to their inbox. Lastly, craft a third email with an enticing offer or a compelling call to action, encouraging further engagement with your brand. As you write these emails, keep clarity and engagement at the forefront of your mind. Once you're satisfied with the sequence you've developed, it's time to bring it to life. Simply switch your automation to active. This straightforward step ensures that your automated email sequence starts functioning as planned whenever a subscriber matches the trigger criteria. And just like that, you've done it. You've set up an email automation in ConvertKit, and it all happens in just a few minutes. Now, your automation is live, ready to nurture and connect with your audience seamlessly. Whether you're welcoming subscribers or guiding them on a particular journey, ConvertKit's capabilities